Hey, and welcome to Mr. Wallen's neighborhood. Here we are down in beautiful Oak Creek Canyon, just outside Sedona, Arizona. I'm gonna make a couple cocktails here on the creek. It's a little precarious, the footing down here, but we want to bring you right to nature. First thing I'm gonna use is Sipsmith Gin. This is a London-style dry gin. I met the guy that owned Sipsmith, and I wanted to drink his gin just because he was so charismatic. You know, and he was like telling us this amazing story about sitting with his friends down in the Bahamas, you know, drinking gin and tonics and thinking to themselves, you know, why don't we start a gin company? I thought that was pretty funny because I don't think everybody can just sit in the Bahamas with their friends and think, let's start a gin company. But it does have a really, really great flavor. What we're gonna use next is Passoa. Passoa is a passionfruit liqueur that comes from Brazil. I really love the flavor profile of it. Also has a really amazing color. Next, we're gonna use Cocchi, Americano, Rosa. Next ingredient is our acid, some trusty lime juice. And then the mystery ingredient. Actually, this is Creosote Syrup. So creosote is a bush that grows in the desert. Basically what I did is I just took some of the leaves off, mixed it with hot water and sugar, basically have myself a creosote simple syrup. It's a really cool plant because it smells like rainwater, which is awesome in the desert because we get a little bit of rain when water hits it, and it makes the rainwater smell be even more prevalent. So we're gonna use ½ ounce. Now we gotta add some ice. We're gonna shake. As always, vigorously. We're gonna add some crushed. And we're gonna garnish. I mean, impeccable knife work, right? Voila, cheers.